Hi everyone, today I'm gonna do third project of my 100 project challenge. And for this project I'm gonna do a prime number checker. And before we start I should say that my sound can come wheezy because I'm sick. Sorry about that, I wanna say that before we start. We will start, I'm not gonna use a function for this prime number checker. First, we will get our number from user is enter and I'm gonna add a line break after this because I it will look good. It's just for design. You don't have to do that. And first I should check if my number is equal to 0 because if it equals to 0 it's not a prime number. I should add special conditions because I can't check this. For example, if I try to divide this number by 0, it will be undefined. So I should add this special condition. And if number equal to 0, then print 0 is not a prime number. Good. Now we should check our number is equal to 1 because you can divide every number to 1 and should add this as a special condition too. And for this print, I should fix here. Yep, 1 is not a prime number. Good. And yep, I guess that's it. Now I forgot. Our number should be positive because I can check prime number quality for negative numbers, so I should check for that too. Check number smaller than 0. Print, please enter to a positive number. Yep, and if and for deciding to this number is prime or not, I will use for loop, but you can do this using while loop too. You don't have to do with for loop, but I will use for loop. And now I will use range. This range function will check until reaches -1 of our user's number. And I will start it from 2. If I don't enter 2 here, it will start from 0 and 4 seconds because it's default of its first parameter. Because default of its first parameter is 0. And for second parameter, I will enter our number. I shouldn't start from 1 because as I said before, every number can be divided by 1. Then I should check if remainder of this number from a equal to 0. Here we don't have to use a, we can use any anything. We can write anything. I mean, we can use B, C, it doesn't matter. But problem is, if you use two for loops, don't use same name for both of them because it can cause error. And this will work like first C will be 2, then C will be 3, for example, or number will be 5. The first will be 2, and then it will be 4. It will increase one by one. This is what range function does. But it's not gonna reach 5. It will stop at 4. That's how it works. I should make it. If remind of any reminder, I mean, if reminder equals to 0, I will break this loop and I need another variable to check. Is it it's prime or not? And by default it will be false. Be true. It should be true because if its remainder reminder equals to 0, then it will be false. So for this for default, it should be true. Is it prime equals false? Good. Now we should add another if condition to check is it prime true or false. If is it prime equals to false, we will print it's not a prime number. If is it prime equals to true, then we will print it's a prime number. Yep. Ah, I should delete that. I was wondering why I am getting error. Now I can run it. First, I will try for 0. 0 is not a prime. Ah, why it happened like this? By the default, because hmm, I didn't think about this. I should fix this, but how can I fix this? I should take this inside of this loop. I should do this another elif condition. Uh, no, I can't do that. How can I fix this? The problem is it first looks for here and it shows that number equals to 0. Actually, I can fix that after this if I add a break. Oh, I cannot break. Hmm. I don't know how to fix that. I'm gonna stop video and I will look for solution, then I will explain it to you. And I saw two mistakes actually. First, I forgot to use if condition here that cause error, and I should take this inside of else. Yep, this will fix it. Now I can, ah, sorry. Now I can enter 0. 0 is not a prime number. Then 1. 1 is not a prime number. Then 2. Uh, what is wrong? I put the, I guess it's wrong. Yep, I just shifted one line. It should be here, not here. I will enter 4. And it works finally. I have done it. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet again in next video. Next video will be my third project, and I'm starting to get used to recording a video and speaking English because it's not my native language. Thanks for watching.